Lesson number 6, Babar Ali. 1 marks questions. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. Question number 2, what was Babar Ali at the age of 16 years? Answer is world's youngest headmaster. Question number 3, who is the youngest headmaster? Answer is Babar Ali. Question number 4, where does Babar Ali run classes for poor children? Answer is in the backward of his home. Question number 5, Babar Ali started his school at the age of? Answer is 9. Question number 6, name the school where Babar Ali is a class 12th student. Answer is Kasin Bazar, Raj, Goinde, Sundari, Vidyaput. Question number 7, Babar Ali ran his school. A, in a huge building. B, in a rented building. C, under the open sky. Answer is under the open sky. Question number 8, how many students are there in Babar Ali school? Answer is 800 kids. Question number 9, what does Babar Ali do after his school hours? Answer is he teacher in the afternoon school. Question number 10, why is Babar Ali called a fortunate soul? Answer is because he went to school and got formal education even though he lives in a small house. Question number 11, what is Babar Ali's father? A jute sailor. Question number 12, according to Babar Ali's father, Nam's true religion is? Answer is education. Question number 13, what according to Babar's father is free religion? Education. Answer is education. Question number 14, why are a lot of families unable to send their children to school? Answer is they can't pay for uniform and books of their children. Question number 15, who is the most educated teacher in Babar Ali school staff? ಹಾಸನ್ 2015 ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇವರಿತಾ, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. Question number 16, what is the name of Babar Ali school? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ, ನೇಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ರನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಗದಗ 2017ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆನಂದ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾ ನಿಕೇತನ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17, at what age did Babar Ali start his school? Answer is at the age of 9 he started the school. Question number 18, who rings the bell in Babar Ali school? Answer is Talu Nasi. Question number 19, name the woman who helps Babar Ali by sending children to his school. ಮಂಡ್ಯ 2015ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತುಳು ರಾಣಿ. Question number 20, what does Babar Ali's father ನಸರುದ್ದೀನ್ believe? ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ 2017ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಸರುದ್ದೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್? ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ 2017ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಆನ್ಸರು ದಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್. 4 marks questions. 1, why did Babar Ali take the initiative step of starting his own school. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ 2016, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು 2017ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ 2013ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. Answer is Babar Ali, the son of a jute sailor in a small village in Muridabad, district of West Bengal. He lives with his parents and siblings in a small thatched home. His father believes that education is a man's true religion at a time when many of the families sent their children to do small jobs. He sent his son to school. Even though children are provided free education, sending children to school is not entirely free of cost. Uniform, books, etc. have to be bought there. Therefore, many of the children go to work as mechanics, laborers, made some cements, etc. That is why Babar Ali, at the age of 9 years, thought of starting a school for these poor children of his village. He wanted to give these children formal education at their own convenience, and so he started his home and started to teach what he has learned. Question number 2. Give a picture of Babar Ali's school. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ಹಾಸನ್ 2015ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಮಂಡ್ಯ 2015ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ started free afternoon school for the poor and working children. The name of the school is Ananda Shiksha Niketan. There is no building for this school. Some children sit in the mud, others on 800 students. In the morning, Babar Ali attends class 12 and in the afternoon he goes to his own school where he is headmaster. The teaching staff is made of high school students. Under only one voluntary teacher, Debarita, is a college student and she teaches 8th standard. Tulumachi, a fish sailor, is the voluntary attender of the school. Babar's own teachers and sympathetic IAS and police officers help Babar run his school. Question number 3. What started as a game resulted in a much sought after school for the underprivileged. Explain. ಹುಬ್ಳಿ 2017ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಗಿವನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಗೇಮ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಆನಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾ ನಿಕೇತನ ಟೇಕ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Answer. Babar Ali started on afternoon school for the poor children in the backyard of his house at the age of 9. He says that his school grew out of a game. He and his friends used to play a game called School with Babar Ali as a teacher. His friends had never seen the inside of a school, so they enjoyed playing students. In this way, they really learned arithmetic. Babar Ali thought of opening a school for his less fortunate friends. Therefore, he started an afternoon school in the year 2002 with a strength of students. Later on, with the help his father and other, the number of students increased. It was named Ananda Shiksha Niketana. Later, the strength of the school increased to 800 students. Question number 4. How does Babar Ali become a man of self-inspiration or to the help the unprivileged, unprivileged class? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ರಿಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿಯನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು.